Good morning. Welcome to Pike Creek Farm. It is early here. Just my husband called, texted actually from camp, deer camp, and I don't know. Then I was awake. So I am up, and Missy and I have been hanging out. And if this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Renee. I live in the thumb of Michigan. And I like to do videos on canning and baking and vintage recipes and just, the things I do and make here at Pike Creek Farm. And today I am making another coffee creamer, homemade coffee creamer. I like making them because it doesn't have all the chemicals, they're not based on oil, and it saves money too. So today I'm making one that is actually my husband's favorite kind of creamer if I was to buy it, and that's sweet Italian cream. I also have, if I can't see it, I have sausage going in a pan there, some Italian sausage that I bought, but it's not the flavor I was looking at for pizza, so I'm gonna make an Italian egg quiche this morning, and I can freeze part of it at least, because since I'm here alone, I don't need to eat it for the next 5 days. But it's gonna have sausage and mushrooms and whatever I can find here. But right now, my coffee is made and I need some creamer. I used the last of my dolce cinnamon, so now we're on to sweet Italian cream. And my next one is gonna be a holiday one, peppermint chocolate. So that'll be a fun one too. So let's get to making the creamer. And they're so fast. You need half a cup of heavy cream. And half a cup of half and half. And half a can of sweetened condensed milk. So I could make this double, but I'll make a different one maybe. I like making my own because of the variety I can get. So we're gonna put about half of this can. It's 7 ounces that you need. So it's just under a cup basically. And then we need, I have all my different extracts out, half a teaspoon of vanilla. And then we need almond extract. You want a quarter to a half a teaspoon of that. I'm going to put a half. I do like the flavor of almond. And now we just stir all this. It takes a while to get it incorporated. And when you go to use it, make sure you shake it up. Pour it into a container. It tastes good. So it's real easy to shake up now. And I'm gonna get a cup of coffee and add some to it. This I will save. I'll make another creamer probably this afternoon. And we'll have 2 varieties in there then. taste it. Oh, I like that. I'm gonna add a little bit more vanilla and the almond because I really want that to stand out, that flavor. When I tasted the creamer by itself, it was good, very good, but I want it to have that flavor come out more in the coffee itself. And now it does. Oh my, that is really good. Italian sweet cream creamer. Yummy, and actually better than what you can buy. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm gonna go have my cup of coffee and start making the quiche. We'll see you next time at Pike Creek Farm.